Alright, here's time for one of those unwritten rules of math. So, like in English, having a run-on sentence is something that we shouldn't do, and we shouldn't write, and we shouldn't speak. So in math, we can't have a fraction that has a root in the denominator. It's just one of those things that can't happen. So here's how we undo those. What you want to do is anytime you've got a root in the denominator, you're going to multiply the top and the bottom by that root and number. Okay, so in A, you've got 8 over root 5, so I multiplied the top and the bottom by root 5. So here's what happens. When you multiply fractions, you multiply them straight across. And like in level 3, when you have 8 times root 5, you can't multiply the 8 and the 5 together to get you 40. You just push them together as 8 root 5. Then in the denominator, you can multiply root 5 times root 5 to get you root 25. And then simplify. 25 is just 5 and 5. So this equals 8 root 5 over 5. And again, you always want to make sure, can you simplify 8 over 5? In this case, you can't, so you know you're done. Sorry, that little thing shouldn't be there. Okay, so let's look at something that has two roots, one in the top and one in the bottom. One in the top is fine. That can stay. We just got to take care of the one in the bottom. So I'm going to still multiply top and bottom by root 12. So this is going to be 6, and then 5 times 12 is 60. And then root 12 times root 12 is just 12. Okay, anytime you're multiplying like root 10 times root 10, it's just 10. Okay, root 2 times root 2 is just 2. Anytime you have the same number that's multiplied with the root, it's just the number that's underneath the root. Okay, so right now I see that I have 6 and 12. I can simplify that into 1 and 2. So this is just root 60 over 2. And then I want to simplify the 60. So let's see, 6 and 10, 3, 2, 2, 5. So a group of 2's. So a group of 2's come out. The 3 and the 5 don't have anybody to go out with, so you got to put them back in the house and multiply them, so to get 15. And this is going to be over 2. And then if you're asking, can the 2's cancel? Yes. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so your final answer for this one is just the square root of 15.